red, black, and black. Very important. Screwdriver. Anybody got a screwdriver? Right. Too big?
Okay, this is Samuel, my driver, taking a solar class here at One Africa. Yes, this is part of my experience, repatriation back to the motherland, Ghana, West Africa. So my driver here is getting a free class today. It's already prepaid for. Yeah. And this is him, Samuel. He's catching on fast and he's learning really good. He's going to use the solar battery to charge my cell phone here. And this is the teacher, the instructor, the lecturer here, all the way from the United States. 4,000 miles this brother traveled to teach this class. Teach this class.
This size of the cable. And then your crimp. See the crimping tool? Correlates to what size you can. Be careful, you're dealing with electricity. You want to keep your red and black separate. It will be shocking if you don't. Oh, look at he's electrifying the poor sister.
She wants the full name?
Yeah? Who has a USB to charge their phone? So, go ahead and charge your phone in. Charger.
All right, look at that. Charging. The cell phone is charging.
Full battery. All right. So now, let's charge something. Oh, it's too big. So, I'm going to bring you electric tape. What's that? I don't have it. Everybody needs a charge now. Yeah. I do. Wait a minute. Yes, I do.